Hello and welcome. I'm back here at Lowe's. I'm checking out the latest deals for this week on tools and other items they might have on clearance and other specials. So I'm going to start off here. They have the Bosch 4.5-inch 18 volt at a special value of only $99, and it was $139. It's the sliding switch brushless cordless angle grinder. It's a tool only. It's the 4.5-inch 18 volt angle grinder for only $99, was $139. Next up, they have the 1/2-inch hammer drill for $129. It was $169, tool only. The 1/2-inch impact wrench for $149. It was $229. And they have a special value on the Bosch 18 volt 7.25-inch circular saw for $99. It was $229. That's this guy right here. And they have another 1/2-inch 18 volt variable brushless cordless hammer drill, charger not included, for $159. It was $199. And then they have like the same deals that I showed last week of clearance or special value, limited time pricing, like this cutout tool for $99. It was $139. As well as a drywall screw gun for $99. It was $159. The blower for $79. It was $99. So those are special limited time prices. And they also have this 2-tool combo kit here for $149. It was $199. So that's includes a drill and an impact driver, as well as 2 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a bag for $149. That's not bad. Metallo compact 18 volt brad nailer. It was $229, and they have it priced at $199. It's not this one here on the front because this obviously takes air, so they don't have that on display. They also offer bulk savings, 15% off, with the purchase of any 3 or more select Metallo framing nails. So if you missed out on the previous weeks when they had actually a lower price, they had these hammer drills here. They now have it at $349. They have this Dewalt Impact Connect copper cutter attachment for $99. It was $119. And they have a tag in this empty spot here for a Kobalt 24 volt starter kit with 2 4-amp-hour batteries for $99. It was $159. And they also have this Kobalt 24 volt 4-amp-hour battery 2-pack for $79. It was $109. They have another sign for that one as well. It's a special value at this time. They have this Craftsman 20 volt 4-amp-hour battery starter kit with the charger, special limited time value at $79. It was $139. They have this Dewalt XR battery pack. It's a 2-pack of 1.7 amp hour batteries for $149, and it was $179. They have this Bosch 18 volt compact job site radio for $99. It was $159. As well as this Bosch 18 volt LED connected floodlight for $79, and it was $99. That's this guy here. And here's the job site radio with Bluetooth for only $99. It was $159. It's pretty good value there. And they still have this Kobalt special value limited time for $99. It was $129 for this job site radio. Bare tool, so no batteries included with that. I'm seeing more yellow tags on the Kobalt tools here. I went over this in the video last week. Many of them are marked down to the $99 and as well as $79. So be sure to check out that video. They must be getting ready to be switching out for new models, is what I'm assuming. But all these tags do say special value limited time. Like, for instance, this heat gun for $79, it was $99. The 6-inch random orbit polisher tool is $99. It was $139. And the 3/8 right angle impact wrench for $99. It was $149. That's pretty good value there. Here's another good deal. It's the 24 volt Kobalt bandsaw bare tool for $99. It was $179. And it is brushless. They have a special value on this Kobalt XTR 24 volt 1/4-inch brushless impact driver, battery and charger included with a hard case for only $99. It was $179. It's this guy here. And they also have a special value on the 24-volt half-inch keyless brushless cordless drill with a battery, charger, and hard case included for only $99. It was $169. I believe that's going to be this guy back here. And they have this Kobalt 16 gauge straight finish nailer for $179. It was $249. So here on this little tool clearance, because when they had the Dewalt half-inch drill that I featured on the video, they had this also, this XR Power Detect Sawzall, but they didn't have any pricing on them. Well, they have it priced now, and it's only $81.97, $249. This is a bare tool only though, but that's a great deal for only $82 for a brushless Sawzall. It has at least 3 of them, so maybe check your store. To mention, every store is different as far as what they run as far as their clearance deals, so maybe call ahead of time. But I wish you luck in trying to get a human on the phone while you do try to call them, because none of these stores want to answer the phone nor help you. At least give it a shot before you make the trip. At least give it a shot before you make the trip and see what their pricing is at the stores near you. If you like this video, I appreciate if you get a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. They have this Craftsman 13 amp table saw, 8 1/4 inch, like a little job site table saw. They have this priced at only $129, and it was $149. That's pretty good value there. Does not include a stand. This would be a decent little saw to have to make small cuts with, and very portable. It does have a strong 13 amp motor. And something to keep in mind, if you didn't know this already, is Craftsman is actually made by Dewalt, which is made by Black & Decker, Stanley. So that's all owned by the same company. It's probably made in the same factory as the Dewalt table saw. The only thing is that this table saw would not have the rack and pinion fence like the Dewalt one does. But again, for only $129 for a table saw, that's not bad. And the rip capacity, here they have the right rip capacity is 12.5 inches. Left rip capacity is 7.5 inches. The weight is 34 pounds. So you don't have very good rip capacity with it. So you'd be able to make smaller cuts with it, and nothing very large. So this would be good for like flooring, that sort of thing. And the cut capacity is 2.2 inches at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 inches at 45 degrees. They do have the new lower price in the Dewalt 8 1/4 inch table saw for $299. It was $399. They have this Craig track saw with a new lower price at $249. It was $299, but it does not come with the track. It's just the saw itself. And Craig has a 62-inch guide track here for $99 to go with that track saw. And if you don't need an actual track saw, but they do have this Craig AccuCut circular saw track guide, where you can connect your circular saw to it and use that as basically a track saw. Then they have this priced at $79.98, and it was $89.99. And they also have this other item here, the Craig Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide. So you do obviously rips. They have this priced at $39.98, and it was $44.99. Then they have this Craig Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro Plus, priced at $129.99. It was $149. It says it's a new lower price. And they also have this pocket hole, another jig here with a new lower price of $114.98, and it was $129. I don't know if you guys have used Craig's system before or not, but I do. I love the pocket hole jig. I've used it to make cabinets with, as well as different shelving items. It's really come in handy. It's really easy to use. I definitely recommend it. And these are the different clamps that they offer to help hold the pieces together while you screw them together. So it's just more items that help make the job go easier. The other thing I also have is the Craig drawer slide guide. It's a jig to set the height of the drawers for cabinets. It's also come in handy, so that they have this price at $27.99. It was $32.98. And another thing I also have and use is this cabinet hardware jig. You're able to set it to where you make the drill holes for the cabinet hardware, the handles, and that's come in handy. So they have that priced at $27.99. It was $32.98. And another thing as well, to do the cabinet doors, they have this jig here to be able to drill out the holes to make the hardware holes here for the hinges. They have this price at $27.99. It was $32.98. Oh, here's another interesting item. I didn't know they even had this one. They have another cabinet hardware jig. They call it the Hardware Jig Pro. So you're able to use it for single knobs. This is what it looks like on the drawer. They have this price at now $39.99. It was $49.98. They have this Irwin Quick Lift. It has a 330-pound lift capacity. This sits on the floor or, like, say, a countertop or whatever. It's great for lifting doors or cabinets up to a certain height. And you're able to micro adjust it up and down. With this handle, you squeeze it and it goes up. And this lever, it lowers it, so you're able to control the exact height. They have this now priced at only $79. It was $99. I have the Dewalt version of this. It's basically the same thing. I think the Dewalt one, though, has a little bit higher capacity than this Irwin one. They have this Klein 2-piece precision tool kit. They have this precision flush cutter as well as this wire stripper cutter. I think this is one of the packs that they had during Christmas time for the holidays. Well, they have it on clearance now at $17.97. It was $19.98. And Bosch has a deal here when you buy one of these select tools. So one of these select nailers here. So anything from the 18 gauge brad nailer, the 18 gauge narrow crown stapler, the 16 gauge angled finish nailer, or the 15 gauge angled finish nailer. You buy any of these for the respective price and you can get the free starter kit. So you have your option of what you get for free, either the 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour batteries or one 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. So if you're not already in the platform, then you have at least the option to get the battery with the charger. If you already have the charger, then obviously go with the 2 batteries where it's $179 value versus the $149 value. And they have a smoking deal on this Craftsman 16-gallon, 6 horsepower wet dry vac. It has a 2.5-inch vacuum hose as well as these accessories. And it says it's also a rear blower, so you could put the hose on the back and use it as a blower. So they have this Craftsman vacuum on clearance now for $43.98, and it was $54.98. That's a great deal for 16-gallon, 6 horsepower. Yeah, you can't beat that. Even at $54.98, it was a good price, but this is even better now. And it also comes with a 3-year limited warranty. So whenever you go to your Lowe's, be sure to check out the back aisle. At least in most of these stores, they have the back aisle clearance section. And this one, they have a Craftsman 2-cycle, a 25cc pull saw, a 10-inch pull saw with up to a 12-foot reach. They have it on clearance for $215. It was $239. The thing that's great about this system is that it is a multi-yard tool attachment system. So you're able to get different attachments for it and use the same power head. So it's a really good deal for that price, let alone it is a 10-inch pole saw, so you're able to prune trees with it. And they also have this other one here, priced at $188. It was $209. It's a gas-powered edger. And it also uses the multi-yard tool attachment system as well, so you could do different attachments with it. These gas engines are 2-stroke, so you'd have to mix oil and gas together. They're 2 cycles. Other items they have here is like a 20-volt pole saw for $149. It was $169. This one here, this 8-inch one for $149 was $169. They also have a 20-volt string trimmer, 10-inch one, $79. It was $89. And they have another pole saw kit. So here you can see what it looks like. And it has like a middle attachment here to extend the saw out even further. Yeah, which is not a bad deal because this actually includes a 4-amp-hour battery and charger as well. So it's not a tool only. Not bad. And they have these string trimmers also for $79. So whenever you go into your store, be sure to check it out, because each time I go each week, it always changes as far as the items that they offer back here. They have this Skill Power Core 40 10-inch pole saw for $179. It was $199. It's a 40-volt brushless. It's a telescoping 7.5 to over 9 feet telescoping aluminum shaft. Well, that's all I see that's interesting in this section for this trip, at least. So, like I said, check out your store, see what they have. But they have other items here on this cart. Other battery-powered trimmers and saw kits. These would be like display models. They have this Husqvarna power box. It was $49.98 and it's $39.97. So it's a hard case to be able to carry your chainsaw in. And they have this Ego 56 volt. It's a string trimmer attachment. So you'd have to have the trimmer itself with the power head. This is just the attachment for it. They have it on clearance for $79. It was $139. Now, if you belong to the Ring network where you have Ring products, they have this stick-up cam, battery-powered camera. They have it on a special value now at only $59.99, saving $40. That's good until February 17th. If you're in need of some lights, they have this Bell & Howell Bionic rechargeable work light. It's 1,500 lumens. It's rechargeable. They say it works full 4 hours on one charge, so that's pretty decent. They have it a special limited time only price at $29.99. It was $39.98. It looks like it would be convenient use. It has a little handle. Also has a swivel hanging hook. It has looks like a USB phone charger with an indicator light as far as its charge level. And you can adjust the light angle too, so that's nice. I don't think that's bad for $30. They also have this solar bionic light by Bell & Howell. So it's got the solar panel on the top here, as well as all these LEDs. And they have LEDs on the side as well. They have this with a special value of $18.98. And it was $24.98. It's 330 lumens. It has 2 modes, and it goes from 19 to 26 feet of detection distance for the motion detection, and it's also weather resistant. The color temperature is 3500 K. Not bad. And they have this other Bell & Howell Bionic spotlight. It's 500 lumens, solar powered, so it has a actual solar panel on it. It has 3 different lights. It's motion activated, and they have that priced at $22.98. It was $29.98. They have this other option here, this Bionic Color Burst Super Bright 2-pack. So it includes 2 of them, obviously, and you can adjust the angle of them, and you can also change the color that it shines. So they have this at a special value at $22.49, and it was $29.98. So it's convenient. So it has a stake, or you can mount it on the wall. So whatever your preference is and what you need to light up, they have at least a couple different options there. They also have these solar lights here. It's good for, you can mount it on a wall, fence. They have it as color changing as well. And these are the color options. And this is a 4-pack that they have here, priced at only $29.98, and it was $39.98. It looks like they have some good deals on some lighting too, if you're in need of some new type lighting for the bathroom. They have this Allen & Roth 3-head track light. Here it's $63.98. It was $79.98. And they have this other option here. It's a 4-head track light for $91, and it was $114. Now, if you like this video, I appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. And I appreciate you watching, and have a great day.